Let's learn in this video how to apply filter and sort in Excel sheet. Filter in Excel means displaying only the rows that meet certain conditions. First, select the entire range of cells containing data. Then go to Sort or Filter of Home tab in Editing group. Choose Filter option. Now let's focus on Name of Student. A drop-down arrow appears. Say if we want to see the names of only those students whose names start with B and C, you need to uncheck rest of the boxes containing A, D, E, F. Click on OK. So finally, it is only showing the records of B and C students. If we choose Select All, you can easily find the records of all students. Now let's write some names. Here I want to filter according to names. For that, I have to click on Text Filters option. This option contains equal to, does not equal to, begins with, ends with, contains with, etc. Let's know the detail of all these options. First, let's consider equal to. Here I will type the name Ajay Verma. So only the records of Ajay Verma will get filtered. Others will simply get vanished. Now you click on Clear Filter from Name of Student to get back all the records. Secondly, if you take does not equal to, all records will appear except which does not match with the condition. Next, let's come to begins with. If we type begins with A, all those names are appearing whose starting letter is A. Again, clear filter. Similarly, ends with A will show all the names ending with A, like Verma, Sharma. Next option is contains with. Type Sharma here. Excel will only show the names with surname as Sharma. That is Sandeep Sharma, Vinod Sharma. So till now we have seen that filter works on text. Now the question is, does filter work on numbers? Yes, it does. We can get similar options in number filters like equals to, not equal to, greater than, less than, between, etc. like that of conditional formatting feature. All of you once practice all the number filters. Now to remove filter, just apply Alt-A-T. Now let's learn sort. Sort means arranging the data either in ascending or descending order in a worksheet. Either you can get sort feature in Home tab or Data tab contains sort. Here, A to Z shows data in ascending order and Z to A displays data in descending order. Let's select name of the student column containing data. Then go to Data tab. Select Sort. Choose A to Z. Choose Expand Selection Sort. You can find the names appearing in alphabetical order with their other records. Then undo all the operations by pressing Ctrl Z. Now you can choose Z to A. Expand selection, sort. The names are appearing in descending order. But in case of serial number column, select the data's sort, but here you choose continue with the current selection, sort. So I hope you could well understand the difference between expand the selection and continue with the current selection. Expand the selection sorts all the columns of data, whereas current selection option sorts a single column of data. Till now, I have explained sorting of alphabets. But sorting is also possible in case of numbers. Let's consider total column. Select it. To find the topper, that is Rahul Bhor, I'll select Z to A, that is largest to smallest number. Choose expand selection as before. Sort. So, we can perform sorting either from Data tab or Home tab.